The Realme 12 5G has become my go-to phone in the past few weeks, and here's what it's been like. The phone definitely grabs my attention. Its design, inspired by fancy watches, is one of the kind. The vegan leather back feels nice and grippy, and the shiny chrome edges gives you like a classy vibe. It's a bit big, but that's pretty standard nowadays, and the flat screen makes it easy to handle. The screen is awesome. With its 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels super smooth whether I'm scrolling through social media or playing games. It's bright enough to see even on a sunny days, and the colors pop whether I'm watching videos or looking at my photos. This phone handles my daily stuff easily, whether it's social media, browsing the web, or even some light gaming. It's no problem. It might not be the absolute top of the line, but for the price, it does a really good job. The camera does pretty well in good light, portraits come out nicely, and the colors look pretty accurate. But in low light, it's not as good, and some details can be hard to see. But still, for everyday photos and sharing on social media, it does the trick. The battery life is great on this phone. I can use it moderately all day without worrying about running out of juice. And when I do need to charge it up, the fast charging features means I can get it back to full power pretty quickly. The Realme 12 5G is a great mid-range phone that gives you a lot for your money. It's got a really nice display, runs smoothly, and the battery lasts a long time. Plus, it looks cool, which is a nice bonus. If you want a stylish 5G phone that won't break the bank, the Realme 12 5G is definitely worth checking out. But based on what I've heard about the Realme 12 5G, it has a lot going on for it, especially if you're looking for a stylish and affordable 5G options. And here's our breakdown to help you decide. And here are some things to consider. First, how important is the camera quality to you? If you take a lot of photos in low light, you might want to look elsewhere. And second, do you play a lot of graphic intensive games? If so, you might need a more powerful phones. And third, do you prefer an AMOLED display? While the LCD is good, AMOLED offers deeper blacks and better viewing angles. If you can live with these drawbacks, then the Realme 12 5G sounds like a great option for you. It offers a lot of value for the price, and it will surely turn head with its unique design.